What is up, everybody? Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and ask any questions about this kit in the comments section below. As you can see, we are out here at Ferguson Buick GMC. These guys keep sending us trucks to lift so that they can sell them on their lot, give you a little break from all these stock trucks. But I'm gonna take you on a walk around of exactly what we did to this truck. All right, y'all, 2020 GMC 2500. This is the SLT. We'll check inside, show you the interior. This one does have the light interior on it. These GMCs are just so nice. All right, guys, for the wheels, we went with the Tuff ATs. Pretty aggressive looking wheel. I like what they did kind of on the lip out here. But these are a -19 offset. They're a 20 by 9.5. We went with a 35-12-50, so we went with that negative offset to get it just outside of the fender wells, give this thing a little bit of stance. However, if you stance it out a little bit less, go with maybe a positive offset, you can do a 37 per this kit. This is the Zone 5-inch lift, so yeah, fitting a 37 underneath that is pretty unheard of for a GM. All these Zone kits on the GM range are upgraded with the Fox shocks. This is a torsion drop, as you can see in there. We then went with these rough country side steps to get you in and out. Pretty sturdy right there. Kind of remind me of like a running board on a snowmobile. I'm loving this truck with the contrast black to white. Just looks real aggressive. All right, guys, Brian here with SoCo Customs. This truck is available for sale now, and I expect them to sell out pretty quickly. But if you want it, come down and get it. Give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, ask us any questions about this kit in the comment section below. It is crazy to me that we're able to fit a 37 or even a 35 underneath just a 5-inch lift on these 2020s. But yeah, pretty pumped for that. Come see Ferguson Buick GMC. All right, peace, guys.